Hey there, staff. So I just wanted to show you a quick little tutorial on how to get the badges into your own Sandbox and your own courses. So I'm going to log into Schoology first, and hopefully you can see my screen. Click log in. All right, and you'll see at the very top, you'll see groups. And once you add the MTSS group to your own groups, you should be able to go in and access these resources that we'll post here. So in the groups, you'll see MTSS, Leonardtown Middle School, and you're going to scroll down to resources. And in resources, the only thing you'll find in there so far are these pause badges. You'll see that there's one for positive and polite, one for accept responsibility, one for work hard, and one for safety first. And what's really nice is that you can assign these to kids as they're completing assignments or as they're interacting with you virtually, and reward them for the positive behaviors that you are enjoying, behaviors that you want to see repeated. It's really important to focus on, these behaviors because how else are students going to know what our expectations are and that we like them meeting our expectations? So again, this is going to be a really great tool for us to use to reward our students for their virtual learning and meeting our expectations when they're completing the virtual learning. So the badges are all right here. To add them to your own Sandbox, you're going to click the check mark boxes. You're going to go to Add Resources, and you're going to click Copy from Resources to your own group or Sandbox. So I can add them to either LMS Administration, LMS ELA, and I can add them wherever I want them to go. I can add them to my home. Or the other way that I could do it is if I go to my course and I go to my Sandbox, right? So I'm in my course, you'll see badges. And once I've added the badges to my own course, I can click import from resources and you'll see that they're all right there. So again, it might take some playing around and a little bit of patience, and if anybody needs some help from myself or Dawn or Allie to try and get the badges rolled over into your own courses, please don't hesitate to ask us, and we are right there to help you. All right, thanks. Bye.